Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn off the notification sound on your Tumblr application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn off the notification sound in the Tumblr app, I just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the setting option on the top, then just click on the account settings. After clicking on the account setting, you have this option called sounds. Click on this, and here you just need to have the first option called notification, the bloops, and also the vibrations when you get a message. I'm just going to turn this off, so if I receive any notification or anything, the sound will not be ringed on my mobile phone. This is how we just turn off the sound on the notification sound on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and if you're having any comment out about the Tumblr application, you just comment below. Just go to the setting, click on the sound, just turn off the notification sound. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.